Oh. I literally just walked up on this thing and I happened to catch a defrosting. That's cool. And there's a light there too to help me. And it has a scroll compressor. And I happen to be recording walking up on it, so that's pretty cool. But yeah. There it is, let's see, it's from 2008. It's a, this is the model, GSH13 2-pump. Pretty cool. I remember, I think this one had its compressor replaced a few years back because it was running without the compressor one time, I remember. So yeah, anyways, yeah. Thank you for watching, and over and out.